Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer XRP from Luno to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies like XRP, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have both a Luno account and Trust Wallet set up on your device. If not, download and create them now. It's straightforward and free. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XRP wallet. This is where you'll find your unique wallet address. Tap on it and copy the address to your clipboard. Double check that it's for XRP specifically, as crypto addresses can be tricky. Next, hop over to your Luno app or website. Log in with your credentials, and once you're in, go to the Wallets section. Select your XRP wallet from the list. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send option. That's your gateway to transferring funds. In the withdrawal form, paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary in 2025 based on blockchain updates. Review all the details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour. And there you have it. Your XRP should now be safely in your Trust Wallet. Always keep an eye on transaction statuses and consider using test transfers with small amounts first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.